Welcome to Wildlife Zone Gone Legends. This time I'm taking a different take and exploring the world of dinosaurs. Dinosaurs have been around for 165 million years. The time period dinosaurs have lived for is termed as the Mesozoic era. During this era, all the continents were joined together as a supercontinent called Pangaea. This era is divided into three periods: the Triassic period, the Jurassic period, and Cretaceous period. During the Triassic period, the first dinosaurs like the Eoraptor and Coelurus appeared. Dinosaurs in the Jurassic period include the Brachiosaurus and Metriacanthosaurus. The Cretaceous period had famous dinosaurs like the T Rex and Triceratops. Since most of the dinosaurs in the Jurassic Park and Jurassic World movies, like T Rex, Velociraptor, etc., existed in the Cretaceous period, the movies are named wrongly. It is important to note that pterosaurs, pteranodon, etc., and sea reptiles like the Mosasaurus are not dinosaurs. There are mainly two types of dinosaurs: lizard-hipped and bird-hipped. The lizard-hipped dinosaurs are divided into theropods, meat-eating dinosaurs, and sauropods, long-necked dinosaurs, whereas bird-hipped dinosaurs are classified into Therophora, armored dinosaurs, and ceropods, consisting of ceratopsians like Triceratops and ornithopods like the Iguanodon. Based on their diet, dinosaurs are divided into carnivores, meat-eating, herbivores, plant-eating, and omnivores, which eat both plants and animals. Herbivores include Triceratops and carnivores include Velociraptor. Omnivorous dinosaurs include the Oviraptor. It is believed that dinosaurs were warm-blooded. Therefore, most of them might be dull-colored. But the opposite is also true. They could also have been in shades of purple, orange, red, and even yellow with pink and blue spots. There are many species of dinosaurs. The most popular one of them is the Tyrannosaurus rex. It has the strongest bite force of all dinosaurs too. Many fossils of them were found in the Hell's Creek in North America. The Velociraptor is another carnivorous dinosaur. Despite as shown in movies, they were covered in feathers and the size of a turkey. Many of their fossils were found in the Mongolian desert. The Triceratops is another dinosaur. It has 3 horns on its head, explaining its name. Tri is the same as 3. Sadly, about 65 million years ago, they went extinct, probably because of a huge asteroid crashing in Mexico. No dinosaurs survived the catastrophic event. However, small mammals went underground for refuge and survived. This led to an increase in mammal biodiversity as there were no dinosaurs to kill them. There is a theory, however, that modern day birds are living dinosaurs. For example, an ostrich looks like a gallimimus and a cassowary looks like a raptor. In fact, according to research, chickens are descendants of the Tyrannosaurus rex. Let's preserve the endangered animals that are luckily still alive so that they don't get the same fate as dinosaurs. Subscribe, stay safe, and Happy New Year.